Ignition and adjustment of the ME series electronic modulating burners. The electronic modulation is performed through a control unit called BT300 that can manage up to 4 channels maximum. Channel 1 manages the combustion air servo motor. Channel 2 manages the gas servo motor. Channel 3 manages the servo motor for another fuel like diesel. Channel 4 manages the use of an inverter, if present. Warning: the video is only for didactic purpose. The indications given may not be correct for all applications. Carefully read the use and maintenance manual supplied with the burner before carrying out any operation. The burner assembly and adjustment procedures described in the video must be performed by Baltur authorized technicians only. The ignition consists of 2 phases: pre-adjustment with no flame and adjustment with flame. Pre-adjustment with no flame. In this phase, we will describe the main operations and pre-adjustments to be carried out before starting the burner. Make sure there are no gas leaks in the pipe. Check that the ramp inlet pressure is suitable to the valve model used. Pre-adjust the gas stabilizer by fully tightening the screw counterclockwise and loosening it again by about 20 full turns clockwise. Move the operating valve to fully open position. Move the valve opening starter to half of its full stroke. Using the burner display, press Enter to access the 3 main icons of the BT300 equipment. The main icons are Information, Manual, Setting. From the information icon, it is possible to access different information about the burner. One of the most important ones is the log of the last 10 cutout codes. Press Enter on the desired cutout code to display the additional descriptions D1 and D2 of such cutout. From the manual icon, it is possible to force the thermostat line and manually change the burner load. From the setting icon, it is possible to access Level 1 password entering. By entering Level 1 password 0000, other icons are enabled. Among which, valve seal check setting. Move on to the Delete icon to delete the existing curve. After deleting the existing curve, move on to the Edit icon to create a new one, and press Exit. Now on the ignition position, indicated on the LH bottom side of the display, all channels will be in 0-digit position. By closing the thermostat or pressure switch line, the burner pre-ventilation phase will start. Now, with the fan running, it is possible to enter the digit of the different channels to start the burner. Press Enter to access the adjustment of the single channels. Use the right and left buttons to move onto the desired channel. Use the up and down buttons to edit the digit of the selected channel. Increase the gas servo motor digit until the index located on the throttle is between 20 and 30 degrees. Increase the digit until the inverter is at 35 Hz. Increase the digits of the air servo motor opening until the air pressure to the combustion head, read using a suitable pressure gauge, is between 2 to 4 millibar. Adjustment with flame. In this phase, we will start and adjust the burner. By pressing Enter, the burner will discharge and open the valves. If the ignition is correct, and the detector detects the flame, adjust the burner. Using the combustion analyzer to check that the fume emissions are correct and that no carbon monoxide is created, should this not be the case, change the air-gas ratio through the servo motors. Adjust the oxygen quantity between 3.5 and 5.5% in all modulation points. Move to maximum load 999. The actuators will remain in the ignition position. Start progressively increasing the air and gas digits, making sure using the combustion analyzer that there is no carbon monoxide in the fumes and that the flame does not turn off due to excess air. Channel maximum opening is reached when the digits are 999. Read the gauge to measure the amount of burned gas cubic meters. Make sure that the delivered power matches the boiler furnace power. Use the valve pressure stabilizer to increase or decrease the power. Once the required furnace power is reached with good combustion values, store the settings using the Enter button. The control unit will automatically create an interpolation between the ignition and the maximum digits in all curve points. Warning: confirm with Enter the interpolations created in all the points only when the displayed digits have settled to their value. Never access configuration when the digits are still moving to the reference value. Lower the load in steps of 1 point. Confirm the created interpolations with the Enter button and edit the servo motor digits to optimize combustion if necessary. Store the modified point with Enter. Carry out this operation until the minimum load 200. Use the Exit button to go back to the main page. The burner will start automatic modulation through the properly configured LCM100 load controller.